Start point is called as pili or fimbriae. డయాగ్రామ్ దేకైతే అగర్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే ఒకవేళ కొన్నేమో లాంగర్ గా స్టిక్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా, కొన్నేమో షార్టర్ స్టిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సమ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ లాంగర్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ షార్టర్. సో the longer sticks, whatever those longer sticks are there, whatever we see in this case is this longer blue color, which I'm drawing with the blue color, these longer sticks, whatever those longer sticks are there, those things are called as pylema. Those things are called as pili. Singular, plural it is called as pilus. Plural it is called as pilus. Whatever the longer sticks which are drawn in the blue color sticks, blue color sticks ఏవైతే కనబడుతున్నాయో, those are called as pili or pilus. Those are called as pili or pilus. Coming to the point, what are the necessary means? They plays an important role in the formation of one object that is called as conjugation tube. Conjugation tube during reproduction. What are the pili or what are the pilus that you are seeing here? The blue color thing. What they will do means they helps in the formation of conjugation tube. Now, as of now, it is not necessary for the people to understand what is conjugation tube. ये वाला जो भी ट्यूब है ना, ट्यूब जो भी है ना, आपको ये टाइम पे समझने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ఈ టైంలో మీరు అది అంటే ఏంది ఎక్సెట్రా నేర్చుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Just remember, whenever you come across a term called as pili or pilus, just remember it helps in the production of the conjugation tube. That's it. It helps in the production of conjugation tube, and as of now it is not required. आपका brain उतना develop नहीं हुआ कि conjugation tube बोलो तो क्या की समझने के लिए. So I'm not going to tell you what is conjugation tube. Just remember pili singular, pilus is a plural. The pili or pilus, whatever it is, it helps in the production. It helps in the formation of conjugation tube during reproduction. Reproduction होते समय what are the cells whenever they do the reproduction, during the reproduction conjugation tube produce करने के लिए pili or pilus will be utilized. Again you may ask me, sir, when we are going to learn about the conjugation tube? In your second year. As of now it is not necessary. In your second year, you are going to study about the, wait a second. In your second year you are going to study about your conjugation tube. Second year में आपको topic है, separate topic ఉందమ్మా second year లో. During the topic again we have to study all these parts again very deeply. Pili or pilus which helps in the formation of conjugation tube during reproduction. Write down that point. So what is conjugation tube, what is the reproduction, etc will be discussed in your second year topic adi. And you can clearly see conjugation, pili or whatever those things are there, they are few in number. They are few in number. How many are there? Few in number, and longer in nature, that is your respective second point. How many are there, ma? మొత్తం కలిపి 4 5 6 5 6 6 longer sticks ఉన్నాయి. 6 longer sticks or 6 pili are there, so they are fewer in number. Compared to what? Compared to the fimbriae. We'll see the fimbriae later. These are the 2 points. These are the 2 points regarding your pili. These are the 2 points regarding your pili or pilus. Pili is a singular, pilus is a plural. What do? They help in the formation of conjugation tube during reproduction. What is these two terms? We will discuss in your second year. Right now, and చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా లేదమ్మా. Right now, it is not necessary also. So, what is the second point? They are few in number. Whatever this pili are there, they are few in number and longer in nature. Write down this point, and we completed your pili. So what is the next one? Next one is a fimbriae. The next one is a fimbriae. The second one, 3 point B. This is the 3 point A. Pili is a 3 point A. 3 point B is a fimbriae. I'm drawing the black color sticks. Just try to see the black color sticks. The black color sticks. जो भी छोटे छोटे देख रहे हैं ना आपको, they are more in number. They are more in number. And at the same time they are shorter in nature. More in number and shorter in, that is your first point. Shorter in nature. Is my voice is audible, my everyone? Just raise your hands if my voice is audible. Okay, ma, everyone okay. Very simple, 3 point B, that is your fimbriae. what are the fimbriae is there? Fimbriae जो भी है ना diagram में देख सकते हैं. The smaller sticks. The smaller sticks, what are the smaller sticks are there? They are more in number. Count, don't need, no need of counting. Just try to see the similarities. वो larger वाला strong जो भी pili और pilus is there, they are longer in nature. And whatever the fimbriae is there, they are smaller in nature. So they are more in number and shorter in nature. Okay, ma'am. They are more in number and shorter in nature. They are more in number and shorter. Black color के sticks देख लो. And coming to its function, the fimbriae is not similar to the pili. Pili का function दूसरा है, fimbriae का function भी दूसरा है. So what is a fimbriae's function is that it helps, it helps, it helps in attachment to the substratum. Attachment to the substratum. Substratum. It helps in attachment to the substratum or a host body. Host body. Very simple. जो भी वो स्टिक्स है ना पूरे छोटे छोटे वो अटैचमेंट सबस्ट्रेटम को अटैच करने के लिए या होस्ट बॉडी को अटैच करने के लिए दे विल हेल्प. फॉर एग्जांपल सी दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर रॉक. दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर रॉक. ए रॉक ఇదంతా ఏదైతే ఉందమ్మా దిస్ ఇస్ పర్టికులర్ రాక్. And this the bacteria, whatever the bacteria is there, it want to attach to this particular rock. The bacteria wants to attach to this particular, draw it with another color, with the red color. That particular bacteria want to attach to the surface of this particular rock. So it will, who will come and who will help here, who will come and who will help here means that is a fimbriae will come and help here. Very very simple. Whatever the fimbriae is there, very shorter in nature, more in number, whatever the thing is there, what it will do means it will helpful in the attachment of substratum. Idanta rock ఏదైతే ఉందో, I have taken the example of the rock. It not might be even rock or tree हो सकता, आपका hand हो सकता. Even on your hand you might have studied when during the corona, even on your hand like thousands of bacteria and thousands of virus are still present on your hand. That's why they used to say wash your hands. So hand మీద bacteria or viruses attach అయ్యి, not the viruses but the bacteria, especially the bacteria, how they are able to still attach to your hand means with the help of the fimbriae. With the help of the fimbriae, जो भी वो viruses, not the viruses, जो भी वो bacteria जो भी रहता है ना आपका hand के ऊपर attach होने का, attach होने के लिए कौन help कर रहे बोलो तो that is a fimbriae. Fimbriae is helpful, is helping the bacteria to attach it to the substratum. We call this term as a substratum. We call this term as a substratum, or it can also be called as a host body. It can also be called as a host body. Very simple. The third point is a pili and fimbrium. Pili and fimbriae. On your diagram, you can clearly see pili are larger in nature and they are fewer in number. And what is the function means they are helpful. They helps in the formation. They help in the during the produces the conjugation tube. Conjugation tube produce करने के लिए pili help होगा. And as of now, you don't need to even know what is अंडर रिप्रोडक्शन कैसा हो रहा है एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा जरूरी नहीं है అవసరం కూడా లేదమ్మా. జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ పైలీ మీన్స్ యూ హావ్ టు కీప్ ఇన్ రాగానే ఆ టర్మ్ రాగానే ఒకటి ఒకటి గుర్తుకు రావాలమ్మా. कंजुगेशन ट्यूब అని గుర్తుకు రావాలా. जस्ट रिमेंबर ट्यूब बोलो तो समझ लो, यूट्यूब में यू निकाल दो, कंजुगेशन डाल दो, कंजुगेशन ट्यूब रिप्रोडक्शन के टाइम में कंजुगेशन ट्यूब प्रोड्यूस होगा एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर लाइक दैट. प्योर इन नंबर and longer in nature. They are very longer. You can see the structure, you can see the shape of the. Coming to second one, that is a fimbriae. Fimbriae are more in number. Just go and see your diagram. बहुत सारे fimbriae and छोटे हैं. उनका size जो भी है ना compared to the pili or pilus, their size is very smaller. And what they will do, their function is to help in attachment. उनका function क्या है? Fimbriae means you have to keep in mind. Fimbriae means it helps in the attachment to the substratum of the host body. Host body को attach करने के लिए कौन help कर रहे बोले तो that is a fimbriae. So we have completed successfully your this part also. Which part? Successfully completed Fimbriae also. Successfully completed Fimbriae. Successfully completed Fimbriae. I'm giving you like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, ma. I'm giving you like 1 minute time. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. I'm giving you like 1 minute time. Giving you like 1 minute time. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. I'm giving you like 1 minute timer. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me regarding the Pili and Fimbriae. If you're not having any doubts, you can raise your hands. If you're not having any doubts, you can raise your hands. No. Pili and Fimbriae में पूरे 9 लोग हैं, 5 लोग raise कर रहे. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Everyone. The third part is also completed. Now we will go to the fourth part. The third part is also completed. We will go to the fourth part. The fourth part is mesosome. The fourth part is called as mesosome. The fourth part is called as mesosome. So let me take you a diagram. Let me see. In this diagram, everyone observe clearly. Everyone observe clearly, ma. Let me ask you one doubt also. Everyone listen me carefully and let me ask you one question also. See, every cell requires ATP molecules. Every cell, either it might be a prokaryotic cell or either it might be a eukaryotic cell. Every cell requires ATP molecules, and these ATP molecules are produced by which part of the cell? Now? Which part of the cell plays an important role in the production of ATP molecules? उसका एक side name भी है. The side name is that part is also called as powerhouse of the cell. So now I have given the clue also. You can tell me the answer. Again you may ask me, sir, what is ATP molecules? ATP molecules and then what is the ATP molecules? ATP molecules. What is ATP molecules? ATP molecules are nothing but the currency of the cell. ATP molecules are nothing but the currency of the cell. For example, let me clarify you. Inside a cell, if you want to buy anything, inside a cell, agar you people by yourself, I made you people in a nanometrical level and I made you to inside a cell के अंदर चले गए आप लोग, cell के अंदर चले गए and you people want to buy some sort of cool drinks or some sort of food materials, and in that case you will try to take money out of your pocket में से पैसे निकाल के खरीदने के लिए try करेंगे. No, it is not necessary. वैसा तो हो नहीं सकता. Or else let me give you with another example. So you people are Indians, and you people went to USA. You people went to USA, and if you want to buy something in the USA, which money you will try to take, Indian rupee, or you will try to take the dollar लेंगे कि US dollar. You will use the currency of the USA, that is the USA dollars, or you will use the currency of the India, that is the rupee. Which currency use करेंगे अगर USA को कहे तो? Simple, that is a dollar. Why? Because you are entered into a country that is called as USA, where the Indian rupee doesn't works. Only which thing works means dollar works. So you are a person, and I made you to enter inside the bacteria. A cell के अंदर cellopodak पंपिचना, cellopodak पंपिचना उस cell के अंदर बेसियम है. तो आप लोग कौन सा करेंसी यूज करेंगे अगर आपका काम करने के लिए आपका एक्सेट्रा देन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ करेंसी यू विल यूज मींस that currency is called as a ATP. That currency is called as a ATP. Rupee is not going to work. Your pound is not going to work. Nothing is going to work inside the cell. Only कौन सा भी काम करना है, किसको तो बीमारने का है, कुछ भी बाई करने का है, बिल्डिंग खरीदने का है, etc. etc. All you need is only one thing, that is called as a ATP molecules. All you need only one thing, that is called as a ATP. And in your 9th and 10th class, you have studied that ATP molecules are produced by particular part of a cell. And some of the people have given me the answer, that is called as mitochondria. That is called as mitochondria. Mitochondria को क्या बोलते हैं? Power star बोलते हैं उसको. Eamon Milusarama, power star pawn calendar is a powerhouse of the cell. It is called as powerhouse of the cell. Why it is called as powerhouse of the cell? Because mitochondria is producing what? It is producing ATP. ATP is a power. ATP is the currency. ATP से तो काम चलेगा. ATP तोटे पानी नడుస్తుంది. So ATP తోటే పని నడుస్తుంది కాబట్టి mitochondria అని ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? Powerhouse of the cell. It is called as powerhouse of the cell. So why I brought this topic means, are you seeing any mitochondria in this cell inside now? Did I mention any labeling part inside this respective diagram? कहा तो भी आपको mitochondria दिख रहा? Are you people observing any mitochondria in the respective structure? Give me either with the answer yes or no. Yes या no बोल के type कर दो बस उससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं. Tell me whether you are seeing any mitochondria diagram. मालूम ना, and again you may don't ask me, sir, what is mitochondria? You have studied the structure भी पढ़ लिए होंगे. Studied, you might have studied this diagram again. Powerhouse of the cell, etc., etc. అన్ని మీరు చదివే ఉంటారమ్మా. Don't need to repeat all those things. You to give me the answer whether are you seeing mitochondria inside the particular diagram or not. The answer is no. There is no mitochondria diagram in the respective prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells के अंदर mitochondria absent रहता. In the prokaryotic cell, mitochondria is absent. Then again you will get the doubt. Again you will get the doubt. Sir, अगर mitochondria absent रहा तो ఒకవేళ mitochondria absent ఉంటే who the hell is going to produce the ATP molecules? Logic అర్థమైందమ్మా everyone? Very simple. If the mitochondria is absent, then who the hell is going to produce the ATP? Because ATP is the only currency of the cell. ATP రాతో काम चलेगा. ATP ఉంటేనే నడుస్తుంది వర్క్. Then mitochondria no absent ఉంటే then who the hell is going to produce the ATP inside the respective prokaryotic cell? That is our topic now. Who is going to produce means our heading. Our heading that is called as mesosomes. Mesosome is going to produce your respective ATP molecules. It resembles, write down the first point here in this case. Mesosome resembles. Mesosome resembles the mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mesosome resembles the mitochondria. First pointer is mesosome resembles the mitochondria. Means mesosome looks like mitochondria, but it is not mitochondria. That you have to keep it in mind. वो दिखने में, काम करने में, చూడడానికి, పని చేయడానికి, etc. etc. mitochondria లాగానే పనిచేస్తుంది. But it is not mitochondria. It is not mitochondria, but it is called as mesosome. That you have to keep in mind. Mesosome, whatever the thing is there, mesosome looks like a mitochondria, works like a mitochondria because it is also producing ATP molecules, but it is not the mitochondria. For example, let me tell you, mitochondria by itself, like per an hour, it can produce like a 1 million ATP molecules. 1 million ATP molecules, but this one mesosome can produce per hour like 100 ATP molecules. Means काम तो कर रहा ATP, they are producing the ATP. Mitochondria is also producing the ATP. Mesosome is also producing the ATP. But mitochondria can produce how many ATP molecules? Means 1 million ATP molecules per hour. But this mesosome can produce 100 ATP molecules per 1 hour. Understand the difference. Why this one is able to produce? Mesosome is already I mentioned you in the starting class. This is the basic in nature, and this is the advanced in nature. This is the advanced in nature. No? This is the advanced in nature, and this is the basic in nature. That's why they are able to produce 100 ATP. Both of them are producing the ATP, but the difference is that this is a mesosome is a basic in nature. Mitochondria is a advanced in nature. No? That you have to keep it in mind. That you have to keep it in mind. That is your first point. No? That is your first point. वेरी सिंपल. रिमेंबर मेसोसोम क्या है बोले तो वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की तरह दिखता, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की तरह काम करता, बट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं है. So again, you may get that you may in your future classes, future professors might ask you whether mesosome can be called as powerhouse of the cell. बोल के बुला सकते कि नहीं बुला सकते? The answer is directly no. The answer is directly no. Mesosome will never be called as powerhouse of the cell. Mesosome should never be called as powerhouse of the cell. Who should be called as powerhouse of the cell means mitochondria should be called as powerhouse of the cell. Very simple. Mitochondria should be called. That is your first point, ma. Second point, right? The inward invaginations. Inward invagination. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane produces the mesosome. Produces the mesosome. So remember your respective cell envelope diagram. Just remember your cell envelope diagram. Cell envelope diagram याद रख लो एक बार. Cell envelope में we came to know that cell envelope is made up of 3 layers. The outer layer is called as glycocalyx. The middle layer is called as cell wall, and the last layer is called as a plasma membrane. So plasma membrane at certain points, it will try to fold inner sidely. Inner sidely it will try to fold plasma membrane at certain areas. It will try to fold inner side fold అవుతుంది. దాన్ని ఏమని పిలుస్తారంటే inward invaginations. It is called as inward inner side invaginations of plasma membrane produces the respective structure called as mesosome. Whenever you come across the term mesosome, you have to remember how the mesosome is produced. Means mesosomes are produced with the inward invaginations of plasma membrane. You have to keep that thing in mind. Inward invaginations of plasma membrane produces a mesosome. Very very simple. That's it, man. No need to understand more points regarding the mesosome. Mesosome का उससे ज़्यादा points सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because again in your second year you'll study the topic in an advanced manner. In an advanced topic in advanced manner you will study in your second year. Second year में पढ़ेंगे. These 2 points are enough. What is the first point? Mesosome means they resemble the mitochondria. Why? Because they are producing ATP molecules. They're producing the ATP molecules, they resemble the mitochondria. And what where the mesosome is present, how the mesosome is produced means the inward side invaginations of plasma membrane produces a mesosome. Inner side ఏదైతే ఉందో this inner side ఏదైతే అయిందో plasma membrane जो भी हुआ ना inner side जो भी हुआ ना उसकी वजह से mesosome produce होता. Because of that thing mesosome produces, and what it is doing means it is helping in the production of ATP molecules. It is helpful in the production of ATP molecules. That you have to keep in mind now. So I'm giving you like 1 minute again. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Mesosome. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. So what are the parts we completed so far? We completed the parts of flagellum. We completed a cell envelope. We completed a pili or fimbriae. We completed mesosome also. We completed mesosome. Mesosome resembles mitochondria. It works like mitochondria, but it is not mitochondria. It helps in the production of ATP molecules. What is ATP? ATP is the currency of the cell. सेल के अंदर कुछ तो भी काम करने का है, సెల్ లోపల ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేయాలి, ఏదైనా ఎక్సెట్రా చేయాలి అంటే మీసోసోమే సారీ ఏటీపీ మాత్రం హెల్ప్ చేయగలుగుతుంది. సో బ్యాక్టీరియా యూకారియోట్ సారీ ప్రోకారియోటిక్ సెల్ లోపల ఎవరు ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారంటే మీసోసోమ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు. That is a mesosome. And the inward imaginations, even in your diagram, the green color C, that where the third membrane, plasma membrane is showing inner side, अंदर के side, లోపలి side invaginations, folding అవుతుంది, inner side folding అవుతుంది. ఆ ఫోల్డింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఫోల్డింగ్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఫామ్ అవుతుందో దాన్ని మీసోజోమ్ అని పిలుస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మీసోజోమ్. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ తెలుసు కదా ఏం చేయాలో. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me, or else if you don't have any doubts, you already know what you have to do. Wait a second, Mayuram, wait a second. Just wait a second. Tab was closed. Wait a second. If my voice is audible, just disconnect and reconnect again. Time is over, so just try to disconnect and reconnect again. Time I pay in the 45 minutes. Just disconnect and reconnect again. Everyone, just try to reconnect again.